Well, from the beginning, GeoCue has been focused on complete production workflows that are close to the sensor. So we've always had a fascination with hardware, but having good hardware but no post-processing workflows has always been a big problem for our industry. So in 2003, when we founded the company, the first thing we did was workflow software for LIDAR systems, manned, airborne, and mobile systems. And we've taken that on through the years for different kinds of applications that range from esoteric. For example, we've done workflow processing software for a hyperspectral sensor on the space station, all the way down to our drone mapping systems. And so today, our big focus in the drone area has been our TrueView product line, where we've got a wonderful set of hardware sensors, but we've also got a complete workflow solution front to back. So again, our focus has always been on how do we get data from a sensor to something that's usable by the ultimate customer. And we've just been flying forward, pun intended, since that time with a whole series of TrueView workflow solutions that range from LIDAR mapping from drones all the way up to high-end systems that are capable of survey-grade work, for example, for the departments of transportation. We have a very strong focus on accuracy and reporting that accuracy in an accurate way. So there's so much information out in the marketplace today that is maybe theoretically true but not realizable in real-world workflows. And we really like to convey to our customers and our prospective customers what can actually be accomplished with these systems. So we have a big focus on technical excellence, and I would say just technical honesty as well.